Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful and reliable VPN app known as Tunnel VPN. If you're looking for fast servers, multiple protocols, and secure browsing all in one place, this video is just for you. Make sure to watch until the end to understand every step clearly and unlock the full potential of this VPN tool. Let's begin with how to install the app. First, open the Play Store on your device by tapping the Play Store icon. Once the app is open, tap the search icon located at the top of the screen. Next, type in Tunnel VPN in the search bar and press enter. Carefully look through the search results until you find the official Tunnel VPN listing. It usually has a recognizable VPN icon. Tap on it to open the app's page. Now, tap on the install button to begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the open button. Go ahead and tap it to launch the VPN. Upon launching the app, you'll be redirected to the home screen of Tunnel VPN. You may get a prompt asking you to allow notifications. Feel free to allow or skip, based on your preference. On the main screen, ensure that your mobile data or Wi-Fi is active so the app can load available servers. After the server list updates, the app may restart itself. This is completely normal. Now, let's explore the interface. Tunnel VPN is divided into two key sections, one for selecting the server and the other for choosing the protocol. To choose a server, tap on the server section and browse through a variety of global locations. Tap on any server you wish to use. You can switch servers anytime. Once your server is selected, it's time to choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button, which opens a list of built-in protocol options. Scroll through and pick the one that best suits your needs. For advanced users who prefer custom settings, tap the radio button labeled Custom Settings, located in the top right corner. This will open a window offering advanced protocol choices like SLO-WDNS, V2RAY, and SSL settings. Note that some options may require custom servers, while others use built-in ones. After finalizing your server and protocol, return to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap it to initiate your secure VPN connection. Within seconds, you'll be connected and ready to browse safely. If you wish to share your VPN connection with other devices or computers, tap the side menu, go to the tethering section, and activate the sharing feature. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy secure, fast, and flexible internet access with Tunnel VPN. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and VPN guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.